Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental part of a circle known as an arc. By the end of this video, you will understand what an arc is, how to name it, and how to measure it. So, what exactly is an arc? Simply put, an arc is a connected portion of the circumference of a circle. If you think of a circle as a pizza, the arc is like the crust edge of a single slice. It is defined by two specific points on the curve. In geometry, we have a specific way to write down the name of an arc. We use the letters of the endpoints on the circle and draw a small curved line over them. This symbol tells us we are talking about the curved path, not the straight line chord connecting them. There are three main types of arcs. The first is called a minor arc. This is the shortest path between 2 points on a circle. It is smaller than a semicircle and measures less than 180 degrees. We name minor arcs using just 2 letters, the endpoints. The second type is a major arc. This represents the longer path between 2 points. It is larger than a semicircle and measures more than 180 degrees. To name a major arc, we use 3 letters, the 2 endpoints and a third point somewhere in between to show the direction. The third type is a semicircle. This is an arc that represents exactly half of the circle. Its endpoints lie on opposite ends of a diameter. A semicircle measures exactly 180 degrees. To measure an arc in degrees, we look at its central angle. This is the angle formed by 2 radii originating from the center. The degree measure of an arc is exactly equal to the measure of its central angle. It is very important not to confuse arc measure with arc length. Arc measure is an angle measured in degrees. Arc length is a physical distance measured in units like centimeters or inches. Think of it as the difference between how wide a slice is versus how long the crust is. To calculate the actual length of an arc, we use this formula. We take the total circumference, which is 2 times pi times the radius, and multiply it by a fraction. That fraction is the central angle theta divided by 360 degrees. Let's summarize what we have learned. An arc is a part of a circle's circumference. It can be a minor arc, a major arc, or a semicircle. Remember that arc measure is in degrees, while arc length is a distance calculated using the central angle and the radius.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.